today let's start with chapter number 12, Living Longer and Healthier. So, in this chapter, you will learn about medical instrument, basic healthcare, and discovery of new medicines. Everyone should be healthy, wealthy, and happy, and three elements are the symbol of India, rich land. Sadness is curse of to one. In old days, many people died at young age due to lack of proper medical facility. The infant mortality rate was high और जो spread है epidemics का उसने क्या क्लेम करा दैट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ लाइफ मैटर इन क्यूबे. एवरेज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी जो थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा लो थी. पीपल यूज टू थिंक दैट डिजीज वर कॉज बाय इविल स्पिरिट. दे यूज टू वर्शिप गॉड एंड गॉडेस टू क्योर द illness. We have become more conscious about our health and we know more about the food and nutrition, health and fitness and treatment and cure. Nowadays जो medical science है वो किससे डील करती है? with treatment of disease. By observation and experimentation, man was invented. Many instruments and machines let us learn about the progress in the field of medical science. So we have Doppler thermometer which is used to measure temperature. The mercury in which goes high with heat. तो आपको क्या है? fever. Right? The scale is marked at Fahrenheit scale and your Celsius scale जो normal temperature होता है वो उसको ही बताता है. And who invented thermometer? That is Daniel Fahrenheit. Then stethoscope, it is a instrument which magnifies sound of heart and lungs. This helps to find out condition of patient's heart and stethoscope किसने invent करा था? Rani Larrick in around 1890. Right? It happened that Dr. Rani was have two children playing with a long bow of wood. वो whisper कर रहे थे and sound at other end of wall log में आ रही थी. And he rolled up the newspaper and tried to listen to the heartbeat. He was surprised to realize that he could hear the heartbeat cleared. Right? So all these findings led to invention of the stethoscope. Now microscope, it is an instrument that makes very small object look larger. It was not invented by one person, but जो owner था वो एक optic shop Poland का था. Right? So he was surprised to see how big the fly looked. So he invented free glass which could magnify things and which become very popular in Europe. Or Galileo learned about this invention and improved it. X-ray machine play a very major role in the field of medical science. This machine helped doctor to find out the condition of almost everything inside the body. Right? X-ray machine was invented by W.K. Roentgen, Germany in 1895. Discovery of X-ray machine was brought a revolution in the world medical science. So apart from this, we have CAT scan, ultrasound, laser beam, which is gently help the doctor in their quest and better life, and man is continuing to be progressed by the ease passing way. Discovery of new machine. A new century due to the superstition, many people consulted witch doctor or magnificence as they believe that disease were due to curse of birth. So some of the more intelligent ones use various herbs to cure disease day by day, and new and better magic machines were discovered. Like we have quinine, DTD, Detols, antibiotic medicine, penicillin, tetracycline. Right? Quinine is very useful to cure malaria. DTD stops the breeding of the mosquito. Or Dr. James Simpson of Britain discovered chloroform in 1847 and become very useful anesthetic in making patient unconscious. Alexander Fleming of Britain discovered penicillin in 1928. ये antibiotic drug है. ये किसके लिए useful होती है? For curing various disease that is caused by bacteria. Like we have streptomycin, that is tuberculosis patient. Joseph Lister, एक Scottish surgeon है who discovered what? Antiseptic chemical. Then we have Louis Pasteur, France, what he found the spread of several disease. Right? These germs were present in air, water, milk. He discovered that most of the germs got killed at very high temperature. Technique जो थी वो heating of milk, that is to 72 degrees Celsius for 16 minutes. Right? इसको हम pasteurization कहते हैं. Edward Jenner of Britain discovered a science of vaccination which was discovered as anti-smallpox vaccine. Dr. Jennifer discovered encouraged scientists to develop several vaccines to prevent fatal disease like cholera, polio, tetanus, yellow fever, diphtheria, typhoid, whooping, and tuberculosis. Now, basic health care. So, the first way is to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean. The second way is to eat good nutrition food. जो आपको body को help करता है to fight against disease. Regular exercise to great extent. Clean and safe drinking water. Proper drainage system is good for disposal of waste. प्राइमरी हेल्थ सर्विसेज जैसे आपका हॉस्पिटल हो गया, डिस्पेंसरी हो गया, इनको आपको करना है सेटअप के. राइट? दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.